You can be more flexible when finding a spot to install this Beko tumble dryer in your home thanks to useful condenser functionality. A 10 kilogram capacity can hold up to 28 hand towels at once and over 12 towels or 45 shirts, thanks to a large drum that can easily accommodate heavy loads. With room for the whole family's laundry, there's no need to run multiple cycles. Sensor drying programs monitor and identify the level of moisture in the drum and will automatically stop the cycle when the ideal dryness level has been reached, ensuring that your clothes receive the best care and no water, energy or time is wasted. The large porthole door provides a bigger, more accessible opening to the drum, which makes it much easier to load and unload items no matter how big they are. Perfect for busy family homes, this tumble dryer from Beko is equipped to make laundry time a little easier.